walk with me, see how I take care of all these weeds in this garden bed here. We got a couple garden beds up here full of weeds. We're gonna take care of those weeds. We're gonna give the chickens some scraps from these beds. We're gonna make use of these weeds, and then we're also gonna use the flamethrower to mainly, the biggest thing with the flamethrower is you're getting rid of the seeds. You're killing the seeds. You can pull the weeds, but most likely you're gonna drop seeds, and they're just gonna sprout up much quicker. For the most part, no matter what you do, you're gonna get weeds in your garden bed. You can delay the process with different practices. We have so many different practices here that we do for weed control. This is one of them, and actually this one is sort of new to us. We haven't always used the flamethrower, but since we've been using it, we like it, and we're using it more and more lately. So again, we're gonna make use of these garden scraps, feed the chickens. We're going to load up my trailer and head over to the other farm at some point today, and just see what else happens. Alright, so the goal of the flamethrower is just to burn the top layer. We don't want to sit in the same spot for too long and end up burning too deep into the soil. We move along with the flamethrower, and just know that if the flame touches the green, it will kill it. If it touches the surface layer of that leaf, the leaf will die. So all of these weeds here, we sat with them for just a short time with the flamethrower. When we come back tomorrow, all of these weeds will be brown. You'll be able to tell that they've been burned, but you don't want to sit there until the leaves turn brown immediately. That means you sat there too long. We flamed through on this bed. We killed any seeds that were on the top layer. We killed any weeds that were on the top layer. And then what we also did was we killed any larvae or any insects that may be on the top layer, which are usually the ones that cause damage to the plants. So Andrew will come behind me. He'll clean out this bed. He will fertilize, till, and get this bed ready for planting. We're gonna take the weeds that we got from this bed. We're gonna go feed those to the chickens, and then we're gonna do the same exact thing for at least 3 other garden beds on this farm, just to get some things ready for Asia to come behind us and do the planting.
Look, I'm all in my feels. Just give me a sec. I just want to build to tell you some real. I got a love story, gonna give you some chills about a young girl who met a man who tilled in the fields and planted some seeds and changed her.
We just got here. We got the trailer unloaded, packed up in the house. We just loaded up our brand new refrigerator with all kind of stuff. Ready for some camping for the next few days, and we got the fire just now going. So it's pretty late in the day. We're not gonna do any more work today. We're just gonna relax up here. We like to just walk around and just daydream about what's coming next, what we're gonna do next, where we're gonna plant things next, how we're gonna landscape it, what'll be the next addition that we add on. So for the rest of the day, we'll just be doing stuff like that, brainstorming, daydreaming, and just wait for the sunset to come around, enjoy that campfire.